Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Anindita and we're watching another birthday month special video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you a birthday guest makeup look. So if you want to be the center of attraction in the party, so this look is perfect for you, and also it's very realistic and easy to carry. So further ado, let's get started. So first I'm using this Dermaco moisturizer. अगर आपकी skin sensitive and acne prone है, then this moisturizer is perfect for you. After moisturizing my face, I'm using this Himalaya lip balm to hydrate my lips. After this, for primer, I'm using this Inside 3-in-1 silicone based primer. अगर आपके open pores की problem है, then this silicone based primer is really good for your skin. After priming my face, I am concealing my eyelids and I am using this Coloressence stick concealer in the shade Faux Pink, and I am blending it with a damn beauty blender. For my eye makeup, I am using this Anylady eyeshadow palette and I am using this dark brown color on my crease area and blending it with a fluffy brush. Then I am using the same color for my outer V to give it a very light and smoky look. Then I am using this light shimmery pink color in my inner corners to highlight it. And it gives the perfect party look. Then I am curling my eyelashes to give it a light volume. And applying the Blue Heaven mascara to give it a length. Then I am combing my eyebrows to give it a nice shape and filling it with the ADS brow pencil. Then I am using the same dark brown shade to give it a very natural look. After doing my eye makeup, I am using the Pond's BB cream for my face makeup. Then I am making dots on my face with the help of the beauty blender and blending it well. Then I am using the Maybelline Super Fresh Compact to set my face makeup. Then I am using the same dark brown shade for my contouring. I am applying this on my jawline and my face and side of my nose to make my nose more thinner. Then I am using this neckline lipstick in the shade Warm and I am using this as my blush. Then I am using the Anastasia Glow Kit highlighter palette and I am using this baby pink highlighter on my face. It gives a light and fresh glow. Then I am using this Maybelline Lip Gradation lipstick in the shade Fuchsia 1. So guys, this is the final makeup look. Let's accessorize it and check the result. To accessorize my look, I am wearing this simple metallic hoops, and for my outfit, I am wearing this black comfortable t-shirt with the high-waisted jeans, and it looks so cool, classy and comfortable, and you can easily dance on this look. And to complete my look, I am wearing this black comfortable heels with the touch of metallic buttons. So guys, that's it for today. I hope you guys like this video. Please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the latest updates of my video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Tab tak ke liye, bye bye.